everybody, guess what? I'm here to bring you guys my second Walgreens haul. Now I still haven't gotten my coupons in the mail. They're lost in Louisiana somewhere. They've been there for 2 days. I still have no idea where they're at. This last time I know they were in Louisiana, so I'm kind of ticked off about that. But a lot of you guys ask me where I get my coupons from. I order them from a Facebook group called Saving Money. Usually, usually I get them on Mondays, but there are times where they get lost in the mail, and it just makes me mad. So I was like, should I go to Walgreens today or not? But then I'm like, yeah, I need to go to Walgreens because there's a couple deals that I still wanted to do, and there's a couple repeaters that I wanted to do because I could not pass up some of these deals. And now, if you guys do know, I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so I'm just letting you guys know on that. So I did the Scope deal again, and this time the store I went to, they had the Scope mouthwash marked. Now I was gonna do this deal twice, but they didn't have enough of the mouthwash in stock, and then I didn't have enough of the other coupons that I just didn't have on me. So I ended up getting 2 of the mouthwashes, and then I got don't put those down the stairs, honey. I gotta put batteries in those, okay? So just hold on, sweetie, okay? So I ended up getting 2 of the mouthwashes, and I got 2 of the dental floss because I am... Okay, hold on. I am swimming in toothpaste, so I don't need a toothpaste. I mean, I always will take it, but I could not pass this up, especially of mouthwash and floss. So these were each $2.99. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons, or... there's the $1 off coupons for the floss, there's $1 off coupons for the toothpaste, and there's $1 off coupons for the mouthwash. So you guys can use 4 of any of those coupons. Remember, you can only use 2 per transaction. You guys would pay $7.96 for those 4 items, but then you get a $6 register reward, making the final price for all 4 just $1.96 or 49 cents a piece, which for these I pay 49 cents for, and sometimes I would pay 49 cents for the mouthwash. Just hold on, sweetie. Go play over there, and I'll be there in just a second, okay? So I think that's a good deal. Toothpaste you guys should never pay for, but this stuff I think is an awesome deal. I left the register reward upstairs, so I did that. I also did the Garnier Blends deal again because I could not pass this up. This ends up being free with the employee discount. So these are 2 for $4. You guys want to buy 4 of them and use. You guys could actually just buy 2 of them. You guys would buy 2. You use that $4 off a 2 coupon. Plus there is a Walgreens coupon that you guys want to scan. Can you go put those upstairs, honey, so we can put those on the fireplace? Can you go put them upstairs for me? Thank you. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon. Now, what I end up doing is I give them my coupons first, and then a lot of you guys are getting denied with the Walgreens coupons. So what I do is I give them all my coupons first, and I'm like, oh, hold on, I got to have you scan some stuff. If it's a cashier that I'm not familiar with, because a lot of you guys say your cashiers are denying some of that stuff, so I'm just letting you guys know that that's how I roll. But these would end up being just $1 or 50 cents a piece. I think that's a great stock-up price. Whole blends right now I'm actually using, and I love it. I am using the coconut oil and butter. So I did 2 separate transactions because I had a lot of those coupons left, and I did not want them to go to waste. So I bought 16 bottles of whole blends. Now, yes, I took a lot, and no, I did not clear the shelves. My store still had a ton, so I did that. I got 2 of the green apple. or 1 of each. I got 1 of each of the argan oil and cranberry. I'm just losing stuff. Okay, I got 2 of each of the new flavor oat delicacy. I got the 2 of this one. So yeah, so I got 8 of those Yeah, 8 of those per transaction, so I could not pass that up deal because it came out to be free on my end. I ended up doing the Aveeno body wash. I had 2 more of those $3 off coupons. Now you guys were a lot of you guys said you had problems, but like I said, have the cashier scan your card, or have the cashier scan the Walgreens booklet last, or have it automatically in your on your account, and then it automatically will apply, so then they can't say anything. So just letting you guys know with that. These were $7.79. They were on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 of those $3 off coupons.com printables that are no longer available. Plus, you guys want to have them scan the Walgreens booklet, so you get $2 off of each one. You just have them scan it once. You guys would just pay $1.68 or just 84 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal for Aveeno body wash. I think this is the next body wash I'm going to use next because why not? I ended up trying something different. I saw these and I didn't think my store would have them, but they're the Ambi Skincare. It's complexion cleansing bar, gentle cleansing without over drying. It's a light, fresh scent. These were $2.59. I think that's the regular price for them. But there is a tag and a coupon that on the Walgreens booklet for $2 off. You guys would just get this for 59 cents. I think this is a great deal for a cleansing bar. I've never heard of this brand. I'm not sure how well it works, but I could not pass up 59 cent soap. So got 2 of those just to try out. I ended up getting the Newton's Fig cookies. I haven't had these in forever. I used to eat these all the time, but I don't know. I don't know why. I just can't eat them. I don't know why. So, there's that. So, this was $1.29. They're both $1.29. You guys want to use that 75 cents off a 2 coupon that we got from a while back ago. You guys would just pay $1.83 for these. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on checkout 51. You can do this deal up to 5 times if you guys want to. You guys will end up getting these for just 83 cents for both of them, which comes out to be like 42 cents a piece, which is a pretty great deal. There is, I don't know how many are in a box. It doesn't say. Doesn't say how many are in a box, but couldn't pass that deal up. And then I went crazy over toothbrushes because why not? Why not? I'm working on doing a little gift bag for some of the people in my area, so I thought these would be a great buy, and I'm probably going to go back and buy more. So I went crazy over the Walgreens toothbrushes. These were regular price, I think, for $1.29. There is a deal where if you buy 2 of them, okay, you guys will get 2,000 points. So you guys will buy 2 of them. You guys pay $2.58. You get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to 58 cents or just 29 cents a piece, which is a great deal if you guys like toothbrushes. You guys can pay with points and get points back for this. So I ended up buying 4 in one transaction because why not? And then I bought another 4 in another transaction. So, I mean, they're just your basic toothbrushes. They do say Walgreens on them, so cannot go wrong with that. So, definitely do that deal if you guys like to stock up on toothbrushes. So, that was my haul. It wasn't the greatest haul, but I got some items that I didn't get last time, and I really wanted to use up some of my coupons that I have. I'm probably going to go back and do a third haul for you guys. possibly. I wanted to do a couple things I just needed my coupons for, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. But my total came to $15.50. I got 2 separate transactions and I just combined them for $15.50. I ended up getting that $6 register reward that we got with the scope and the Oral-B floss, but you guys can also do toothpaste also. I got 13,000 points. 8,000 of it was from the toothbrushes, so I got 4,000 in one transaction and 4,000 from another one. These also count as beauty, so that's even cool. I think everything I got today except the Fig Newtons counted as beauty. And then I hit beauty, so I got 5,000 points for that. And then I submitted my $1 rebate for the Fig Newtons on checkout 51. So everything came out to be, for me, for free. It came out to be a $4.50 moneymaker, which is awesome. I was pretty excited. I always pay with points, just because I don't like paying out of pocket. Like most of the time, I only pay like $2 or $3 out of pocket because I pretty much pay majority with points, depending on what situation it is. But I think I did pretty good, you know, and I'm going to go back and get more of the toothbrushes, and then I have like one more Whole Blends coupon, so going to try that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys enjoy. I hope you guys are stocking up on the Whole Blends if you like it. Otherwise, if not, it's still a great deal, and you might be able to get somebody to buy some from you for super cheap, so you can get a little bit of your money back. But give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.